Page 14, Almost Persuaded. 3/4 time. You're in C position. The left hand a lot of times gets the chords. Sometimes it doesn't get all 3 notes in the chord. Sometimes it's just 2. Look at the first line. That's a 1 chord. They just didn't put in the middle note. Actually, the E's in the right hand. And the second measure, that's a 4 chord, but it's missing the F. Again, the F is in the right hand. So it's here. So if you know your primary chords, you got this. Not a problem. It's not, I mean, moving the thumb up for the 4 chord is a normal thing. Hopefully you're familiar with that, and you can do it without looking at the keyboard. Let's go here. But first line with the left hand without looking, phrasing, bring out the phrasing. Melody, bring out the melody. Bring it all out. Okay. Dynamics, it's generally overall a nice, sweet, gentle piece. Staying fairly soft. At the top of 15, page 15, you get a crescendo up to a medium loud in the second line. That's melody here. So you're starting out soft. Plan it out. Soft. Stay soft. Now kind of a medium soft. Now you're medium loud. That first note in the second line should be louder than anything in the first line. You don't get all the way up there until there, so save it. When you get a loud or soft, it's not a straight line going from soft to loud. It's stay fairly soft, and then toward the end, then you start getting up loud. So save it. 2. Then in the third line, you're soft again, and that's just all of a sudden you're soft. That's the right hand, the melody that's soft, so the left hand has to be really soft. Then at the bottom, you get a fermata. I'm going to hold that for 6 counts instead of 3. There's a repeat sign. We're going to play it twice. You get a fermata at the very end. Again, 6 counts instead of 3. You know how the drill goes, I think, for me anyway. Other people can do fermatas differently, but that's how I do it. Now, I want to mention on these chords, at the top of page 15, you get chords in both hands. This is very common in a church hymnal. You'll get 4-part music. It's really for people singing harmony. It's not real good piano music. If you can, bring out the top note in the right hand. You put a little more weight on that note. Second line, same thing. And keep everything else soft. Now if you can't do that, at least keep the left hand soft. That helps a little. Just don't play them all the same. No, please don't do that. Keep the left hand soft throughout. And if you can bring out the top note, that's better. A bit of a challenge for you here. Pieces like this are simple enough once you get them learned that your mind will start to wander as you're playing. You'll start thinking about other things while you're playing. That's a huge mistake. If you can prevent it, please don't do that. I have done that all my life until just recently I learned part of what the problem was. And that is when you're playing a piece of music, that melody, you need to sing that to yourself internally. Unless you're singing outwardly, then you don't have a problem. But if you're not singing outwardly and you're not singing the words to yourself, at least kind of a la la or da da, whatever, internally, silently, but focus on that melody throughout the whole piece. Don't let the mind wander, because it will try and get off. This is boring. I'm going to think about something else. So focus. And if you find yourself getting off, get back on as quickly as you can. I'm constantly fighting that as I'm playing pieces that I know. I mean, when you're first learning a piece, you're concentrating so much on it, you don't have to worry about that. But once you know the piece, and it's sort of automatic, then the mind starts to wander. And no, don't let that happen if you can help it. So let's do the play with me. It says moderately slow. We take everything slow. I'm not trying to perform these for you. I'm just trying to give you a chance to check your notes and rhythms. You can speed them up and perform them on your own. So I'll give us 3 counts to start. And let's try this out. We're starting in C position. Okay. 1, ready, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Tie, 2, 3. 3, hold 2, repeat. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, tie, 2, 3. 2, 3, hold 2, 3.